My name is Zach and I've been making videos since I was 11 years old, and I now do social media as my full-time job. To me, a smile is honestly everything. It really is what people remember you by, in my opinion, first impressions and whatnot, but for the longest time of my life, it was something that I was very insecure about. And thanks to Forever Smile, I am now more confident than ever. This video here, which you're about to see, was shot by them, edited by them, and then as you know I make videos, I was like, hey, let me take over, shoot this, add this little intro, and give you guys a little bit more about, who I am and why this is so important to me. But yeah, they truly changed my smile. I've been so confident. I'm getting compliments everywhere. People are always like, wow, your smile's so pretty, and I'm like, haha, thanks. It's fake. But it is what it is. It's beautiful. I'm really happy with it. And fake or not, it looks good. It's something I wanted to get done. And this video really shows the entire journey. It's incredible. They're amazing people, amazing to work with. I was super nervous going into it just because it's surgery, but they absolutely killed it, and this video is incredible. So I hope you guys enjoy, and that's all I got for you. My Forever Smile journey started like this. I have a lot of decay on my teeth, and I also do YouTube as well. So I just want to have a prettier smile, look good for the camera. That's as simple as that. Sometimes I smile like not showing teeth like this, and just like a more teethy, happier smile. Yeah. I made it clear to him that I was nervous every single time I was there, but no matter what, he was just so happy and made me feel as comfortable as I possibly could have been throughout the whole procedure. The process was great. I was nervous just because surgery's scary, but he made it as smooth as he possibly could have, and it was great. There was like a few sessions every single time. I knew what I was going in for, and the whole process worked out. Yeah, smile looks good. I'm super happy. I was always insecure about my teeth, and now I feel way more confident. I was stoked. Yeah, I came home from the surgery. I looked in the mirror and I didn't even recognize myself. It was almost like glowing. They're very white and they look natural. I called my family. Everyone was happy to see it. I only got these teeth 2 days ago, so I haven't experienced too much because it's only been 2 days, but the biggest change so far is that when I'm smiling, I'm taking pictures, I'm just like, damn, I look good. Yeah. And that is how I got my Forever Smile. Huge thanks to them. Once again, they did an incredible job and they made the process so easy, which I really appreciated as I was nervous going under this procedure. I would say the biggest difference that I notice in my day-to-day is just simply people complimenting me, even strangers just walking around. Someone's like, hey, you have a nice smile, when they see me smiling or laughing and whatnot. Also, you know, just taking photos of myself as I do content creation, I feel way more confident talking, you know. I would like hyper fixate on my teeth in videos because they were yellow and they were crooked. So overall, I feel just way more confident, and I'm extremely grateful. They did an incredible job. And yeah, I'm just stoked, and the process is done. It was easy, like I said, and I just appreciate it a lot. This is my forever smile. Make sure to drop a comment, like, subscribe, notification bell, and that's it. We'll see you guys in the next one.